Today is our pop-up Neighbor Through Laundry Day in Arcadia, but it's not just any pop-up Neighbor Through Laundry Day. Today is special. We are going to be surprising the 2,500th family that we have given the gift of free laundry to. We're just about to make the announcement inside. I can't wait to see who we're going to honor with some special gifts and surprises.
No one's excited to go to a laundromat and wash their clothes. And so to walk into a place that's celebratory and they find hope in something as simple as having clean clothes, and that burden of that purchase being alleviated for them is huge.
Did you tell her?
Yeah, she doesn't know everything yet.
Okay. Sebastiana, today we are reaching our 2,500th family that has gotten free laundry, and you are our 2,500th person to get free laundry.
Sebastiana, acá estamos celebrando que hemos servido a 2,500 familias y tú eres la familia 2,500. Entonces tenemos unas sorpresas y regalos para ti.
We have gift cards for you.
Estas son unas tarjetas de regalo para ti.
And this for you.
Y esto también es para ti.
It's full of laundry supplies.
Está lleno de material de productos para que laves, para la lavandería.
Oh, sí, sí, sí. Muchas gracias, que Dios os bendiga mucho.
Right? It's very heavy. It's very, yes.
Muchas gracias a todas.
Okay. She's thanking the whole team. Thanks to everybody here.
Patterson Foundation is incredible. What they've done here, what they're giving to the community, it's fantastic, and it helps us. You know, we're a business, yes, we're a business, but we also try to help the community that's here.
Order up for peaches. Peaches.
This is a big, big bonus. They can get their laundry done for free, and then they can come and get a taco or tacos or a quesadilla. So yeah, it's great.
Both my mother and I grew up in this community. We've seen it all, the lows and the highs, and we just want to be part of this, of the betterment of this community.
The things I've learned is are like responsibility, how to care for people, and just how to help.
Be a good neighbor.
Yeah, how to be a good neighbor. Yeah.
The goal is to turn laundromats into community centers for a few hours, and to provide, this is one way to help through laundry, but having other resources there that they can carry with them and will play out in the rest of their lives is absolutely the goal.
The name of this book is Daring Dreamers Club. Whoa! I like to come because of what's happening right now.
Yeah.
Interaction with marvelous students.
Beautiful.
My name is Irene Serna. I work for South Florida State College. I'm the coordinator here at the DeSoto campus, and we offer dual enrollment classes for anyone wanting to attain their AA. We also have 4 bachelor programs that the students here locally can also attain. Here on our campus in DeSoto, we have the welding program, and then we also have the auto program, and they all come out with jobs.
It's incredible what you're doing, and you're doing a great job helping these families here in a beautiful way.